If you live in California, you may be wondering how long probate takes. And it's a very important question because the timeline can have a real impact on your family. The short answer is this: probate in California takes anywhere from about 9 months to 18 months, and in some cases, it can take even longer. But to really understand why, it helps to know what actually happens during probate. Probate is a court-supervised process where a person's assets are gathered, debts are paid, and the remaining property is distributed to heirs or beneficiaries. Even in relatively simple cases, there are multiple steps involved, and each step takes time. First, someone has to be appointed to manage the estate. If there's a will, that's usually the executor. If there isn't, the court appoints an administrator. That process alone can take several weeks, and often longer depending on court schedules. Once the executor or administrator is appointed, they have to identify and gather all of the assets. That can include bank accounts, real estate, investments, and personal property. In California, this step often involves a formal appraisal process, which adds additional time. Next, the estate has to deal with creditors. California law provides a period during which creditors can come forward and make claims against the estate. That waiting period is built into the process, and it cannot be skipped. After that, the executor or administrator prepares an accounting showing everything that has come into and gone out of the estate. That accounting is reviewed and in many cases approved by the court. Only after all of those steps are completed can the remaining assets be distributed to the beneficiaries. And here's where timing can stretch even further. Delays can happen for a variety of reasons: court backlogs, difficulty locating assets, disputes among family members, or complications with real estate. In larger or more complex estates, probate can easily take 18 months to 2 years or more. Now, it's important to understand that during much of this time, assets are essentially locked in the probate process. This can make things difficult for families who may be waiting on access to funds or property. This is one of the reasons many Californians look for ways to avoid probate altogether. For example, assets held in a properly funded living trust typically do not go through probate. Instead, they can be managed and distributed privately, often much more quickly. That doesn't mean probate is always avoidable or that it's always the wrong path, but it does mean that the timeline is something people should understand as they think about their estate plan. So, how long does probate take in California? For most families, it's not a quick process. It's measured in months and often well over a year. And for many people, understanding that timeline is what leads them to explore planning options that can make things easier for their family.